6 months from now, you are going to be somewhere. The only question is where. Let me show you exactly what your consulting journey looks like if you start today. Hi everyone, this is Ambreen and I want to talk about something today that I know a lot of you are thinking about. The world is changing, AI is changing everything. I need to do something, but where do I actually start? What do I do first? What do I do second? How long will this take? Because right now, most of you are reading articles, watching videos, saving LinkedIn posts, and still feeling like you have no clear path. Just more and more information and less clarity. So, today I want to give you a simple, clear picture of what the next 6 months actually look like. Just a basic idea so you can see the path before we go deep in the bootcamp. There are really three things that you need to do in order and they build on each other. The first thing is to learn the skills that are actually relevant to you. Not all of them, not every new thing that comes out every week, just a small set of AI automation and agents that are relevant to your specific domain and your specific goal. So if you're in finance, there are specific ways to use automations to fast track your finance work. If you're in HR, specific ways for HR. If you're in IT or operations or law or marketing, same thing. They are not complicated. They do not require any technical background, but you do need to learn the right ones, not just the popular ones. So in short, you can be from any domain: banking, finance, insurance, medical, hospitality, teaching, admin, tech, marketing, anything, and you can still do all of this. What you need is skill plus track record plus outreach. This is what the first month is really about, not mastering everything, just getting comfortable with the work that matters to you. Now, here is what happens when you do that. The work you used to take 3 hours to do, you now do in 45 minutes. The report that used to take your whole afternoon, AI drafts it within minutes and refine it. Your output gets noticeably better, your manager notices, your team notices, you become the person in the room who always seems to be ahead. And that is job security. That is the first outcome, and it happens in the first 60 days. The second thing is to build a small track record. Now, this is where most people get stuck. They think, I need a big portfolio, I need lots of projects, I need to prove myself before anyone will take me seriously. You do not. You just need one good example, one good sample, one real problem you solved using these tools, these automation. Maybe it's something you did at your current job, maybe it's a small project for someone in your network. Just one or two examples that shows that here is what I did, here is what the result was, and that is your case study. That is your proof, and that is enough to start a conversation with a potential client. The third thing is building your outreach system, knowing your pitch, knowing where to find clients, and actually reaching out to them. And this is where it gets really interesting, because this is the part that used to take weeks of manual work, researching companies one by one, writing individual emails, building a list from scratch, hours and hours of work before you even had a single conversation. That whole process can now be automated. Tools like Claude Cowork, Anti-Gravity can literally go onto the internet for you, find businesses in whatever sector you want, in whatever country you want, compile a full list, and then write a personalized message for every single one of them. How does that sound? And it also includes what that specific company does, what problems they likely have, and how your experience is relevant to them. You set it up once, you tell it what kind of client you are working for or looking for, and it does the work. While you are in your office, while you are having dinner, while you are sleeping, you wake up in the morning and you have a list of 20 real potential clients, 20, 50, 100 potential clients with personalized outreach messages ready for you to review and send. You are not doing this manually. You are not spending your weekends researching companies on LinkedIn. You are reviewing the work, making it feel more like you, and pressing send. That is it. This is your outreach system, 1 hour to set up, running in the background from that point forward. Month 4 and 5 is when it gets real. This is when you get your first client. And I want to be honest with you about what that looks like, because most people imagine it has to be some big formal contract with a large company. It is not. It is a small project, a 2-week engagement with a small business or a startup, maybe even a free pilot for someone who lets you document the result or gives you a testimonial as a case study. That first client changes something in you, because until that point, that is still some idea. The moment someone pays you even a small amount for your expertise, it becomes real. Your consulting business comes in action. Now, month 6 is just making that consistent, same client for longer, or a second client, a monthly arrangement where they know you are available and they pay you regularly, not a one-off project. And that is when you start to feel it. Real money comes in every month on top of your salary, not life changing overnight, but enough to make you think that this is actually working. Now I know 6 months feels like a long time and when you're standing at the beginning of it, but here is the thing, 6 months from now is going to come whether you start today or not. That time is going to pass. The only question is whether you are in the same place when it does or somewhere completely different. The people in our community who followed this path, not perfectly with real ups and downs, are earning between $1,000 and $3,000 a month from consulting by month 6. Some get there faster, and not one of them quit their job to do it. We are going to walk through all of this in detail at the bootcamp. Your specific background, your specific offer, what exactly which new skills to learn, which old skills to leverage, exactly how to find clients in your domain, the whole thing. But I wanted to have this picture in your head before we get there, because when you can see the full path, that first step stops feeling so scary. I will see you in the next video.